So these are the supplies that you're going to need. Just some leftover fall florals, whichever ones you like. I got these from the Dollar Tree. I have a few different. Um, these are smaller ribbons that I might use, and I've got this Thanksgiving ribbon that I'm going to use, and some of this lacy burlap. I really like this stuff. Okay, and you will need some pipe cleaners and perhaps a few zip ties, whichever one you prefer. You will probably need the pipe cleaners because that's what I use to attach the swag to the lantern. Okay, so I'm going to put all this aside and we'll get started. Oh, and you might need some wire cutters to help cut your stems. Okay, so I'm just going to I'll try to make it as evenly as possible. I'm just going to just make two sides here. And I'm just adding the different pieces that I have. I have like this boxwood, give it a little bit more green. And I've got these two sunflowers, and I'm going to put one on each side. I'm going to bend it up a little bit so that the flower can be seen. Do the same on this side, but before I do that, I want to cut these. Cut all this off right here. And I'm just using, like I said, like leftover florals that I had. It doesn't take much because your lantern, doesn't need a whole lot of greenery unless you prefer it. And this is just a simple, I'm going to bend it up just a little bit. So my box went on this side. You just want to sort of match what you're putting on each side. And you can play with it, arrange it however you like. Stick this one in here. Okay, I think I like that. And then I'll just take a zip tie and zip tie it all together so it'll stay. You can put more than one if you need to. I think this will be good. Cut off. Okay. All right, so now kind of arrange it a little bit. It's good. All right, now I'm going to make a bow to put, and we're going to put it right here in the middle of it. And you can do as many loops as you like to use to, to make. I'm going to make some that are shorter and then some that are longer. I think I want to make about 4 loops. Let's take and this is just a piece of um, leftover ribbon that I had um, that I decided not to use on another project. So I use a zip tie on this one too. Leave that one long for now. Take my burlap, and it's shorter pieces that I had left over, so I'm just going to make loops. This, and then I'll make another one. Sure, they're about the same size. So yeah, I'm just crossing them over this way. Then I'll take the pipe cleaner that I have. Take it, I'm going to pull it tight. And then I will attach it to my other bow. It's right in the middle. And this way, you won't be able to see the zip tie that I have on the other one. Nope, I didn't cut that. Again. Okay, and before I tighten it all the way, I'm going to add another pipe cleaner right in the middle. This one will be longer, and I'll use that one to attach the whole thing to my lantern. Once I have this one twisted a few times, I'll cut that one off. Now we can fluff our bow and these. Cut this one here. I don't have my scissors, but I will take my scissors and I'll cut these two a little bit shorter. Okay. Dovetail it. And it's about the same length as this, so I think I'm going to leave it like this. That way they hang off. And let's see, before I attach that, I'm going to open this ribbon. This is not a wired ribbon. It's really cute. I love the little pumpkins on it. Let's see, I'm thinking I can make, just going to make a small bow. Remember how to make this bow. Over. Lips are even. And then I'm going to pinch it in the middle. Like that. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to use this navy blue rib. It's grosgrain. It's like 3/8. I'm going to tie this bow in the middle with it and then let the rest of it hang off. Okay. And I'll just probably hot glue this on top of this one right here once I have this one attached. And you can put more than this if you like. If you want, you know, you put however many bows and loops that you like. I have navy blue in my decor in my living room, so I like to incorporate it when I can. Just going to attach the bow, my little swag. Yes. And then you can go in and flip it up. I will hot glue this down, and then um, we can attach it to the lantern. Okay, so here's the top of my lantern, and I'm just going to attach the swag to the top right here using these pipe cleaner feedback. And so now all I have to do is glue this here and turn this so you can see it better. Okay.